Hi, everybody. So I'm going to be demonstrating my Module 2 assignment. And for my assignment, I decided to use the Java language to create a number guessing game. So really not a difficult program to create. Within this program, I use classes, I've used a loop, and I'll dive into that code just to show you what that looks like. But as you can see, I'm using random and a scanner here, importing that just for those features in my program as they're used, you'll see in the code. For the portion of my stretch, I decided to create an interface and use the implements function to call on that interface. As you can see here, specifying the behavior of the number guessing game. And then this is where the implements function is used to call on that interface for the number guessing game. And it's created as a class. And I mentioned that I have classes and loops created in here. A couple of other key facts. I have a maximum attempt of 10 for the user to guess, to try to guess. So if they hit that 10 mark, there's a message that displays. I'll show you how that looks. Going through the code further, I'm generating a random number between 1 and 100. And you can see the display message that the user's greeted with, and then the prompting for them to enter their guess, defaulting the number of guesses to 0. And I've used a while loop to loop through the attempts and set it to the max attempt. And you can see I've used some if and else if statements here. Displaying the message based off of a correct guess, if the guess is too low, if the guess is too high. And then if, like I mentioned, they reach that maximum number of attempts, they'll receive this prompt. And that was set to 10. And so really that's the code itself, kind of going into it in depth. So now I'm going to demonstrate the program. So you can see, welcome to the number guessing game. I've selected a number between 1 and 100. Try to guess it. Enter your guess. Let's start with 20. It's too high, so I got to go lower than that. Let's try 15. Too high again. Let's go to 10. Too high again. Let's go to 5. Too low. 7. Too low. 8. 9. So it took me 7 attempts and it tracked that. So congratulations, you guessed the number in 7 attempts. So I do want to show you what happens when I do the maximum number of attempts as well. So we're going to run it again. Same prompts, 1 and 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So you can see that message. Sorry, you've reached the maximum number of attempts. The correct number was 63. So that's how it's displaying, and it's displaying what the correct number was. And then you can run the program again to try to guess again. But that is my number guessing game using the Java language.